Let's connect the TP-Link RE505X using the WPS function. First of all, plug the extender into a power outlet somewhere next to your router. Within 16 feet distance is recommended, and wait for the power indicator to stop blinking and start glowing solid blue. It may take up to 1 minute, so be patient and just wait. Once it's happened, you can find the WPS button on your router. Usually it's located on the back panel and usually it's labeled WPS. So press the WPS button on your router, put the router back, and then press the WPS button on the extender. This is the gray button with the padlock icon next to it. Now all you have to do is just to wait. The LED indicators will gradually turn on solid blue one by one. Power, Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G. And if you have the single band router or your router is manually set to the single band mode, you will see just only 3 indicators. You will not see 5G. But once again, here you have to be patient and wait. Once you have 3 in a row at least, you can try to connect to your Wi-Fi. If you see 5G but don't see 2.4G, don't panic, just wait once again. Okay, 4 in a row. Now you can relocate your extender, unplug it and plug it somewhere else between the router and Wi-Fi dead zone, but keep in mind that the extender must be still in the router's range, and the Wi-Fi indicator can help you with this. If it glows blue, it means the signal is strong enough, and if the Wi-Fi indicator glows red, it means you need to move the extender closer to the router. Now, how to connect to the extender? Let's take any of the gadget, Wi-Fi gadget, and well, my main router is named My Wi-Fi, and new extender's network is named same as the main router but with EXT abbreviation added to the end. So I have 5 GHz extended and 2.4 GHz extended, and I can connect to any of that networks. And if you wish so, you can measure the speed. Let's test the speed. Good enough. Honestly, it's slightly slower than main network, and of course because this is just extender. If you wish to get a higher speed, you need to use the extender as an access point. Direct cable connection and access point, you can use it like this. Well, that's it. Hope this was helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.